Hi, I'm Bob Kurl, the founder or the designer of this particular cup that's made for infusing tea. We tried to come up with something that was absolutely pure. So it's pure borosilicate. You can put this on the stove and act as a kettle. It can be used as a teapot because it's intended to be an infuser and a brewer at the same time, and then use it as a cup. It has a built-in plate, also pure borosilicate glass. The cup itself is a very finely designed and hand-blown glass cup. This is really intended for loose leaf, and nothing gets in your mouth because the strainer itself makes the pure tea so much more delicious. You don't have to, expunge or expel any of the solids. They stay behind the wall, and that's why we called this the wall. Please enjoy it, have fun with it, and enjoy your tea most of all. Thank you for listening.